Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to play One Piece card game online for free, and all you need to do first is head over to this link, Google Drive link, which you will find in the description. And since I'm playing on Windows, I'm gonna right click on this Windows on the right side and just download this. So let's just download that. It's gonna wait, gonna take long depending on your internet connection speed. Mine's not that fast, but it's not that slow either, so let's just wait. Alright. Okay, now that it's done downloading, let's head over to our downloads folder and find that. And what we need to do first is extract this to make it easier and make sure that it works. Alright, now that it's extract, just open the folder and builds window, and then you'll see your OPTC gsim.exe executable. And now we have it. Here you'll find that this is a fan-made game, but it's so okay, it's fine and it's fun. So you have the option to play with yourself or multiplayer online, which you should just explore on your own. I'm just here to show you how to download and install it, and that is it. That is how you can play the online TCG One Piece game. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.